We're always trying to figure out how to be a better service to the customer than any of our competitors. And we do a good job of that. And what makes L&H different is the people. They like fixing things. They like making things better. They like challenges. This kind of work isn't for everybody.
What I want is for us to be seen in the marketplace as the go-to company when I have a crushing problem. At any level, we are the people you're going to call that can solve the problem, that understand your needs, are willing to talk to you about what you're really trying to accomplish, so that when we are offering something, it is specific to your site and what is going to give you the best result. You have to have an understanding of all crushing, that being gyratory, cone, jaw, sizers, impactors. They're all out in the marketplace. We can do all stages of crushing, primary, secondary, tertiary. We're very good at working on complex, tight tolerance, large pieces that most companies either can't or will shy away from because of the sheer size and complexity of those parts. We're big enough with enough engineering and facilities and manufacturing ability to address most any major issue with the crushing line. At the same time, we're small enough to still be reactive and to feel the customer.
And they do it as a team. The field welders, machinists, mechanics, the engineers, the salesman, the customer.
We have a lot of situations where we're asked to go on site strictly to listen to a crusher. I'm hearing this sound, what do you think it is? And diagnose the problem before we even take the thing apart.
It is a critical piece. It's a bottleneck in the mines. It's got to be maintained. And when it goes down, it's a big deal.
When you talk mining, crushing is very important because you have to get it to a specific size to break the minerals down in a manner that they get the most extraction. When you start talking about overall gradation, you're talking about moisture content, substrate structure. What am I breaking? How is it going to break? What kind of forces do I need to break it? There's a lot of science around that, and understanding the customer's needs around that is huge when it comes to offering an upgrade. We had a customer that had been down for the better part of 28 days. They called our teams in. Our guys were able to go in there and do a repair, a very complex repair on a very large piece of equipment on site, including welding, field machining, and then supply our components into it, assembled the entire thing, and we're there basically through the commissioning. And that crusher is not only is the site back up and running, but that crusher is outperforming. It's running better than it ever has. There's really no part on the crusher that we couldn't approach and or work on and or repair and or replace.